I put the blame. Hey, show. I put the blame. Yo, I put the blame. Hey, I put the blame on my parents kuthi bangibeka kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bebadayithana. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bagcina bavaya. Hey, hey, bangishiya ngiyi-1 kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi bangibeka kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bebadayithana. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bagcina bavaya. Hey, hey, bangishiya ngiyi-1 kulona mhlaba. Yo, let me take it from the start. Wena baba somuma, after some time nine nase nakho Snyper. Wakho Snyper usomuma kanjani kungena khaya. Bothi sitohla lapho umdali vele nasenthethe. Blinking off an eye umdali vele wasiyantsayitha. USniper leso sikhathi beka ngacali no cancer. My sister was responsible imfana for my diaper. Ayika badali bami vele mina hayi ngiyakhala. Hey, mbili nzima mfana without uthando lukamama. Hey, 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 mbili nzima mfana without uthando lukababa. I put the blame on you guys. Yo, I put the blame on my parents kuthi bangibeka kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bebadayithana. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bagcina bavaya. Hey, bangishiya ngiyi-1 kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi bangibeka kulona mhlaba. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bebadayithana. Put the blame on my parents kuthi vele bagcina bavaya. Hey, hey, bangishiya ngiyi-1 kulona mhlaba. Yo, it's hard ukubona labanye banifana nabadali. On an open day mina kusuke ngiyi-1. Awungibathe cala akunamake akunababe. Nalesikole ngisifundzayo ngisifundza ngelakhi. If it wasn't for my green ngaba ngikholana. She gave me the love bengilidzingayo lwabadali. She took me some respect vele nama head to maintain. Cause I'm by myself lena jelly anginabani. Every day I pray the Lord kuthi ahlale nami. Ngoba angikhethanga ke ukuhlala nami. I pray the Lord kuthi angikhonzele kubadali bami. Pray the Lord kuthi angikhonzele kubadali bami. Mbili nzima mfana without uthando lukamama. Hey, 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 mbili nzima mfana without uthando lukababa.